Hello students. In the last video, up to the last video, we have discussed about properties of parallelograms, different properties of parallelograms. Now I am here with a different point, that is the new point from this lesson, and this is the last point from this lesson. I am going to tell you the name of the point. I have written here title, some special parallelograms. Some special parallelograms. In that we are going to discuss three parallelograms. First one, you are looking this figure, rhombus. Second one is the rectangle. Third one is the square. Okay, we will see their properties. We will discuss about their properties also, how those are different from one another, why those are called as some special parallelograms. That also we will discuss over here. Again, one important thing is that those all parallelograms are having some special properties also. Okay, which one those are? I am going to start. Look here, first point I have written here. First parallelogram is here front of you, that is one of the special parallelogram. The name of this is, or we can say one of the special quadrilateral, that is known as the rhombus. If you see carefully the figure of this rhombus, then you will come to know that it looks like as a kite. It looks like as a kite. In the kite only what happen? These down sides are there, those are different as compared to the upper sides, but those sides are equal to each other and those sides are also equal to each other in case of kite also. That's why we can say it is one type of kite, no problem at all. Okay. Look here, rhombus. What is the first property of rhombus? All sides are equal in length. If you are looking this figure, then you will come to know that I have made special marks on it. It shows that all sides are equal in length, and if you see carefully, then you will come to know that opposite sides are parallel to each other. Those opposite sides are there, those are parallel to each other, and because of that we are getting a different property regarding to the angles also. First property I will mention over here. Look here what I said, all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. What is the first property regarding to the rhombus? All sides are equal in length and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, means side AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. Remember, okay. And opposite sides are what I said, parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Means here in this rhombus ABCD, we can say AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Are you getting? Also, one important thing we can say, AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. Okay, AB is parallel to BC. AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Got idea? This is the first property regarding to the which rhombus. Okay, all sides are equal and opposite to each other, means opposite pairs of sides are parallel to each other. Okay, all sides are equal and opposite pairs of sides are parallel to each other, and because of that we are getting the second property. What is that? Look here, opposite angles are equal in measure. Opposite angles are equal in measure means angle A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Opposite angles are equal in measure. Okay, what I said, opposite angles are equal in measure means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Got idea what I said? Opposite angles are equal in measure, angle A is equal to C and angle B is equal to D. Next, you will see carefully, then here again one third part you will get over here. In this figure you will see diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector means here 90 degree, here 90 degree, here 90 degree, here 90 degree, and this part is equal to this part is equal to this part. Remember, means perpendicular. It means that perpendicular bisector. Bisector means two parts and perpendicular to each other. What I said, diagonals are perpendicular. It's very important. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Those are the three very important properties regarding to the rhombus. Got it? What I said? I will show you this figure once again and I will explain. All sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Next, second property, opposite angles are equal in measure. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Then third one, diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Here is I have shown 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Perpendicular bisector means here, suppose this distance, suppose we have taken here point, suppose those are intersecting at point O, then AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. What idea? Those are the simple properties of rhombus. Next, the second special parallelogram is rectangle. Here its figure is also shown. After looking this figure, I think you got idea a little about it. Which are the special properties regarding the rectangle? First property, you will see regarding to the sides. If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that here opposite sides are shown by using same marks. It shows that this side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. Also, the very important thing is that opposite sides of rectangle are parallel to each other and equal to each other, means equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Means here you can say PQ is equal to SR and PS is equal to QR. Not only equal but also parallel to each other, means PQ is parallel to SR and PS is parallel to QR. Next, if you will see carefully, then you will come to know that here special marks are made and it shows that it is the mark of right angle. It is the mark of right angle. Means we can say here angles of rectangle are right angles. Angles of rectangle are right angles. Are you getting what I said? Opposite, it's very important. All angles are right angles, that is equal in measure. If you will see opposite angles also, then also, and all angles you will see, then you will come to know that all angles are right angles, means all angles are equal in measure. Okay, right angles. Right angle means, look here, angle P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to S is equal to 90 degree. P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to S is equal to 90 degree. All angles are right angles, means equal in measure. यानी कि measurement क्या होती है उसकी same होती है. Third property, this is very important property. Listen carefully, you will come to know that. Okay, if you will observe here, then third point you will see PR and QS, those are the diagonals of a rhombus. And in case of rhombus, you must remember that diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other. Okay, diagonals are equal in length. ये equal in length में होते हैं. Okay, diagonals are equal in length. Do you understand what I said? Diagonals are equal in length. Equal length में होता है. इक्वल लेंथ में होने के कारण वो बाइसेक्ट भी करेगा, तो ये पोर्शन और ये पोर्शन इक्वल आता है, ये पोर्शन और ये पोर्शन इक्वल आता है. समझ में आ रहा है? इक्वल इन लेंथ यानी कि एक डायगोनल की अगर तुम्हें लेंथ मालूम है तो दूसरे डायगोनल की लेंथ तुम्हें मालूम हो जाएगी. आर यू गेटिंग? डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल इन लेंथ. ओके, दिस इज द सेकेंड special parallelogram that is known as the rectangle. The third parallelogram I am going to show you, special parallelogram, that is the square. You will see the figure of square, then you will come to know that Here also same marks are made on each side. I will write here name for your understanding purpose. L M N O. Suppose here there is one parallelogram whose name is LMNO, okay, and it's we are observing regarding the square. This is one special parallelogram. Which one? Square. LMNO. After observing this figure, you will come to know that first point regarding to the sides, all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal. Sides are equal in length. What I said, sides are equal in length means what? LM is equal to MN is equal to NO is equal to OL. Next, second, what is second? If you will observe carefully, then all angles are right angles. You will see here marking, all angles are right angles and equal in measure. यानी कि इधर हम लिख सकते हैं एंगल L is equal to एंगल M is equal to एंगल N is equal to एंगल O is equal to how many degree? 90 degree. It shows that all angles are equal in measure. And third one, that is also very important. You will see regarding to the diagonals. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other and also equal in length. Means those diagonals are dividing each other, but here they are making right angles everywhere. Either right angle ho to either be right angle, either be right angle, either be right angle. Are you getting? Means all angles are all diagonals. Means diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other. Got idea? Those are the three special parallelograms and their properties. I will show you notes page for your better understanding purpose. It will help you for understanding. Look here, once again I will explain this. Here I have shown you three special parallelograms. First one is known as the rhombus. Look there, properties. First property I have written here, all sides are equal in length and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Second, opposite angles are equal in measure. Opposite angles is mentioned over here. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector यानी कि क्या होता है, मैंने तुमको बताया, इधर सेंटर में 90 डिग्री का एंगल क्रिएट होता है. ओके. सेकेंड, नोट्स का पेज देखो अच्छी तरह से, नोट्स लिखने हैं तुम्हें नोटबुक में. ओके. Next, rectangle. Look this rectangle. All angles are right angles, that is equal in measure. Second, opposite sides are parallel to each other and equal in length. ये जो opposite sides होती है parallel भी होती है और equal in length भी होती है. इधर लिखा है PQ is parallel to SR, PS is parallel to QR, PQ is equal to SR and PS is equal to QR. Okay. And regarding the diagonal, I told you diagonals are equal in length and the very important thing is that bisect each other. Here third property is written, diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other. The next one, square. Square, all angles are equal, you know that very well because all are 90 degree. Here LM is equal to, it is not angle M, it is LM is equal to, first point is all sides are equal. LM is equal to MN is equal to NO is equal to LO. All sides are equal in length. Second, all angles are right angles, that is equal in measure. All angles are right angle means angle L is equal to M is equal to N is equal to O, that is equal to 90 degree. And diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other and equal in length. इसके भी diagonal equal in length में होते हैं और perpendicular bisector of each other होते हैं. I hope so you got idea about those, some special parallelograms and their notes, remaining points and remaining things are there. Okay, this is the last point from this lesson. I hope so you got idea about this, some special parallelograms. Here we have studied today three parallelograms. Regarding to their properties also we have discussed. First one is the rhombus, second one is the rectangle and third one is the square. Okay, remaining points will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.